Welcome to Luralife Extreme Team. I wanted to do this little short tutorial to show you guys how the group works and the purpose of the group. So first of all, when you guys join Luralife, make sure your sponsor adds you to the group. And when you're adding to the group or you're requested to join, there is some questions. So please make sure that you fill out the questions when your team is getting added. Now, first of all, you're going to come to this new post that I just did, which basically says, congratulations on making a decision that will change your life. What I've done is I set up this group so that we can have the best success in the company of Luralife. And so what you want to do is you want to start here on this pin post. You want to tag your team here. And what they're going to do is get started. Now, if you're on a computer, you can see we have all these different tabs. I've set up what we call learning tabs. And in the learning tabs, it's called units. And what you need to do is start there. And what it's going to do is take you through different various sections, Unit 1, Unit 2. And this is how it works. For example, you're going to click on here, whichever one you're doing, right? So let's say, for example, I did these. Or I posted all these. But as you do each one and you click on it, it's going to ask you to hit completed. And I'm going to show you one. Let me go back to one that I haven't done. Let's say the Spanish, okay? I'm on Unit 2. And once you watch the Spanish video, if it applies for you, you're going to select done, right, on each one. Now, I've watched all of these, so I'm going to select done. And this is what happens once you complete a unit. This is really cool because it's educational. Not only that, it tells you like a reward when you've completed a section. Yay, you've completed Unit 2. And then you can go to the next unit, right? And you can actually even post saying, yeah, you've completed Unit 2. And it kind of rewards you. I'm not going to do that, though, in this illustration. So you're going to go through each section. I've put each section here for things that I think or believe that we need to be successful in our business. Next, you'll have like marketing tools. Okay, Unit 3 is marketing. So what is Unit 3? Rank banners. This is going to tell you, click on see more, how to download the rank banners. There's a tutorial on how to do it. Once you've done this and completed it, click done. Next, and I've already done that, and then next, you're going to, get the Luralife app. We have an app that is available for Luralife. It's amazing because it has you can put your contacts, it has the company videos, it has product videos, you can add a contact, you can share via all kinds of different social media, email, text, everything. So you're going to want to get the app. So once you've done that, again, you click done. And then it's going to give you another reward saying you have completed Unit 3. Okay? Let me go back to the next one. And so the next one is Unit 4 and so forth, right? So you're going to go. I have all the stuff that I think we need. How to register for your free capture page. How to enroll a free member tutorial. How to purchase sample credits. Okay? And then also important links. Here's a generic page with testimony and products. Okay, Luralife Central has official resources. So each one you click, it's going to give you information and details that I've posted on what does this link do, what does it provide, and so forth. And you click done. Okay, and you just basically go through all of these. And it's really cool. It's like, you're in business for yourself, but not by yourself. So I've made it possible where you guys are learning, you're educating yourself, you're educating your team members, you're getting the knowledge you need to go out there now and answer those questions when customers come to you. So I truly believe, I've been an entrepreneur and a business owner for 15 years, and I truly believe that you have to take it upon yourself to learn this, okay? Now, not only do we have the learning section, I've also have a file section. And in the file section, you're going to want to take time to look at it. I have the company links here again for somebody who wants to download them. And so like if you click on that, it has all of them. You can find them here. They're also available in the app. You can save this to a Word doc or whatever you want to do to have it accessible. There's also a bunch of resources that I've gotten that you can, check them out, download them to your phone or save them. Now, they may take up a lot of space on your phone, so you can save them to your computer or whatever. We also have a photo section. In the photo section, we have albums, like we have tea pictures, before and after pictures, and I'm always adding to this all the time. So as I see people's results, I'm adding stuff. So you can always check back for that, right? We also have, okay, I got all the photos. We also have flyer ads that you can use. And again, once we are adding more stuff, we'll add to it. But these are ones that you can use and so forth. So you want to make sure you're taking time to go to the learning, go to the photo section, and go to the file section. This is going to ensure that you're getting the most out of your Luralife business here, and that you are, getting the knowledge you need to be successful to run your Luralife business. So everybody, please take the time, share this video with your team, and make sure you go through all the sections that I mentioned. And if you're looking for something like a question also, there's this little feature here called Search the Group. So for example, if I wanted to know something on the banners, I could type that in, and what Facebook does is it finds all the words, the keywords that I'm looking for. You can also search for flyers. You can put, calls, whatever you want to look for. Maybe you have a question that somebody's already asked that question. So instead of asking the question again, I recommend searching first to see if somebody's asked that question. We also have a support chat group. You should be in there. That's usually for us helping boost our posts, really quick updates. But basically, everything that gets updated, I will put in this group. So it's very important to put people in this group. Make sure you're tagging them to the new pin post so they know where to get started from and how to go. Thank you guys very much.